To make string art, first draw a design you want to create out of string on a piece of paper. Then cut the design out with scissors. Tape the design to a piece of soft wood. Next, gently nail veneer pins into the wood around the edges of the paper so they're evenly spaced. Gently peel the tape and paper off of the wood so just the pins are left. Now tie the end of a piece of string around one of the pins. Weave the string around the rest of the pins in whatever pattern you like. You can weave the strings around the outside of your design to outline it, and you can weave it through the inside of the design to fill in the empty space. When you're satisfied with your design, tie the end of the string around one of the pins. Clip the excess string off with scissors and enjoy your new piece of art.